The position displayed by the GPS are just numbers on a screen. For these numbers to have meaning, they must be plotted onto a nautical chart. The equator is an imaginary line running east-west around the fattest part of Earth. Trinidad is under the red dot. Lines of latitude are imaginary lines running east-west around Earth and parallel to the equator. The equator is called 0 degrees latitude and is neither north nor south. Other lines of latitude are named corresponding with the angle at the center of Earth between the line of latitude and the equator. Here are the latitudes of some ports in the Caribbean. Latitude is represented on scales on the left and right of the nautical chart. The scales show degrees, minutes and decimals of minutes. The numbers do not appear all along the scale. Lines and shading are also used to show degrees and minutes. It is possible to interpolate on the latitude scale with reasonable accuracy. Here is a close-up of the latitude scale. This diagram shows a projection of Earth with poles, meridians and latitude. Lines of longitude are imaginary lines running north-south between the north and south poles. The prime meridian is called 0 degrees longitude and is neither east or west. Other lines of longitude are named corresponding with the angle at the center of Earth between the line of longitude and the prime meridian. Here are the longitudes of some ports in the Caribbean. Longitude is represented on scales on the top and bottom of the nautical chart. The scales show degrees, minutes and decimals of minutes. The numbers do not appear all along the scale. Lines and shading is also used to show degrees and minutes. It is possible to interpolate on the scale with reasonable accuracy. On some nautical charts, latitude and longitude scales appear on lines other than the borders of the chart. The scales show degrees, minutes and decimals of minutes. The scales show degrees, minutes and decimals of minutes.